Usually we are taught in class like कोई पंच कर रहा है तो उसको ऐसे अपर ब्लॉक करना है. Usually it is like a straight punch. And this is the block. 100% guarantee, and I don't regret saying this. I know many people will be upset. Never this will work in your life. Now, if somebody is stupid enough to punch and then get in a statue position like this, अगर मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत है कि मैं किसी के पंच करने का अटेम्प्ट कर रहा हूं, तो मेरी इतनी भी हिम्मत है कि उसके बाद मैं पंच करूंगा. इसके बाद अचानक से मेरी याददाश्त नहीं चली गई, मैं उधर नहीं खड़ा हूं. राइट? इफ यू वांट टू पंच समबडी, दे पंच लाइक दिस एंड some fights happen like that, then the fight will go to the ground, पत्थर उठा लेंगे, लोग आ जाएंगे. That's a fight.
That is a fight. Yeah.
Nobody punches and freezes, right? So this will never work. It is too slow.
So before starting Karate TV online class in the evening batch, we'll discuss something about the Hikite. The block is not block, punch is not punch, right? The hidden applications of a punch or a block, we'll rather discuss on block, right? How do you think?
Yo.
We'll discuss about Agave, upper block. So upper block is, I told you the block is not block, punch is not punch. Punch we'll discuss later.
Usually we are taught in class like कोई पंच कर रहा है तो उसको ऐसे अपर ब्लॉक करना है. Usually it is like a straight punch. And this is the block. 100% guarantee, and I don't regret saying this. I know many people will be upset. Never this will work in your life. Now, if somebody is stupid enough to punch and then get in a statue position like this, अगर मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत है कि मैं किसी के पंच करने का अटेम्प्ट कर रहा हूं, तो मेरी इतनी भी हिम्मत है कि उसके बाद मैं पंच करूंगा. इसके बाद अचानक से मेरी याददाश्त नहीं चली गई, मैं उधर नहीं खड़ा हूं. राइट? इफ यू वांट टू पंच समबडी, दे पंच लाइक दिस एंड some fights happen like that, then the fight will go to the ground, पत्थर उठा लेंगे, लोग आ जाएंगे. That's a fight.
That is a fight. Yeah.
Nobody punches and freezes, right? So this will never work. It is too slow.
देखना मेरा फोन बज रहा बेटा.
मासी का है.
देना, मैं 1 मिनट में 2 मिनट में बात करके आती हूँ.
दो घंटा लगेगा, पहले वीडियो शूट करेंगे. रुको. So one thing is clear. This can never be used against a punch. Nobody is slow enough to punch like that, and you are not fast enough to block a punch like that. So don't use in a fight because it can't be used.
So it is a sort of circular punch is happening in between, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I like that.
Right? See, he's punching. So when you,
Oh.
this is upper block, and again I didn't finish the upper block right now. I did an upper cut. I'm going for the upper block. Upper block is like what?
That is why the other hand is used, right? Other hand is used like this, right?
Yeah.
So, of course, every time this is not possible. But since karate is meant for self-defense and things like that, this is not consensual violence. This is non-consensual violence. मतलब दोनों लोग ready नहीं हैं. We have not given.
English.
This is non-consensual violence. If both fighters are standing like this, this is not self-defense. Now we both are ready to fight. We have mutually agreed that चलो हो जाए दो हाथ. इसमें सेल्फ डिफेंस नहीं चलता. सेल्फ डिफेंस उसमें चलता है एक आदमी का कंसेंट अभी भी नहीं दिया, मुझे नहीं लड़ना है, या तो ये मेरे पे जबरदस्ती कर रहे हैं या तो मैं इन पे जबरदस्ती कर रहा हूं. दैट इज नॉन कंसेंशुअल वायलेंस, एंड इन दिस nobody expects. So the technique we were talking about is like you're here and there's a punch coming. Okay, so that is how you block something circular. कोई चीज ऐसे आ रही है तो क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले अपने हेड का बैक साइड you have to protect. Even in boxing and kickboxing things, this is not legal. It is a foul. You can't punch somebody over here, on the back of their head. This is foul. But usually when they try hook punch, most of the time it will land in the back, which leads to long term injury. Right? दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा, बुढ़ापे तक बंदा हिलना शुरू कर देता है. Right?
How you apply the upper block in this case? Okay, right? I'm doing. Okay.
Right? What I mean is, you block, you hold this down, and at the same time you do this. Right? This is an upper block. Right? That's an upper block. Right? So it provides you with two options. Either you can use the first motion of the upper block, which goes like this, which can be this, see, or it can be a punch over here, or if you are not satisfied with that, it can be this one, right? But this is self-defense. He is not ready to block. He is not expecting that I'll fight back. So then it becomes easy to hold his hand, to pull him, to do this. This stuff becomes easy when he is not expecting. So hold this or hold this. And even after the
That is
punch
all.
you can do it.
Yeah.
Punch के बाद भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. So we'll go step by step. You can better understand the way of how you will apply. Yeah.
If this is possible, अगर आपका हाथ पकड़ सकते हो आप तो, this is one. First priority is always striking. First priority is always striking, because after this, don't expect to do this very easily. He is not standing there waiting for my
I'm just
upper.
ready
He
with
has
his
the
hand.
other hand. The two legs are ready, right? So he is waiting for that. I mean, he is not waiting for that. So ये और इसके बाद अचानक से ये नहीं होगा. मैजिक ट्रिक नहीं है ना. ये होगा, फिर कुछ और होगा, फिर चाहे तो ये हो सकता है. So step wise it would be defend yourself first. Don't go into this wrestling, grappling. It is risky. First strike, or that can be the first part of the upper block, right? So one, and from here you can do an elbow or a straight strike. using
Did
this
you
part.
notice in between? There is a kind of a MPG also happening there. It's too close to your opponent. You don't use this part. You can use this part, right? Okay, yeah. This is also upper block, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Then go.
Right. Oh, this can be done to the chin also, right?
Yeah, chin also.
These traditional martial arts, katas, things and all, they are presenting you with options. आपको options दे रहे हैं. उनमें से आप select करो. Like in a kata, you do. It can mean you're holding somebody's head and bringing it down with a knee kick, and it can mean something else also.
So we have discussed the uppercut. We have discussed the MPG, and also it is happening as sort of circular motion.
Right, so basically a movement of our hands in this forward circular motion and backward circular motion combines with the inside block comes from this, the upper block comes from this, and if you're going down it can be something else, right? Can be the blocks are coming from this circular motion like children fight. They somehow block and attack at the same time. It's good, right?
And upper block always, the people, I've seen the many people, I don't have any debate on that, they do the upper block like this. No, right? It is always near to your body. Your hand travels near to your body, close to your body.
As close.
Right, as close as possible, that the elbow. Good. And again, when we come, we are talking about upper block. What about coming back?
So while coming back from the upper block also there is something, right? We are talking about hitting like this. We have the grip if this is possible. अगर ये कर पाए आप और अगर ये भी कर पाए, right? Now this can come from inside like this, and you can go back to a grip. You can go take the fight down, and you can call mummy. So if the hand is with you, and if this works, go in. And now you're here, right? Kidney, back of the head, Khan, right? Like Mike Tyson, you bite the ear off.
It is a lock, See, it is upper block. Lock.
Yes.
So a block can be used for hitting the target. Block can be used while coming back for locking a person.
I read in a book. It says a lock is a block, is a blow, is a throw. So it's all same thing. But you have to have that vision, and you have to understand what works and what does not work. So from today's video, what we understand is you can never use upper block against a punch, but you can always use upper block in a self-defense, non-consensual violence. Some more in a grappling way it can be used, but that requires more skill. Never go into grappling before striking. Pehle maro, be safe, then go into this. Or If you are not confident enough, just maro and go away.
Concentrate, focus on practice the basic things. As much as possible, do basic. You will find something special out of it, right?
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Karate TV online class link is in description. Kalari dhoti if you want to purchase online, link is in description. और क्या हो सकता है, follow me on Instagram, link is in description. छोटा वाला चैनल है हमारा कराटे टीवी वाले भैया, उसमें थोड़ा प्यार बरसाए.
हमारा वेबसाइट जरूर विजिट करना, karatetv.in, राइट? आज मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला सोकी तकेशी किटागावा का एक पर्सनल क्लासेस के बारे में, 10 ब्लैक बेल्ट्स का कुछ दिया हुआ, आप उसको भी देखिए, विजिट कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? राइट,
हो जाएगा, समझो हो गया.